Okay, good morning. Welcome to
SummerMath number 18.
SummerMath number 18. So we finished our last section in chapter 2 of our counting and probability book, right?
Yep.
And so I picked a problem out of the challenge problem section. And the question is, how many 5-letter words have at least 2 consecutive letters the same? Where a word is a string of letters, in this case a string of 5 letters. Okay, so we're looking to count the words that have at least 2 of the letters, 2 consecutive letters being the same.
Well,
Okay, makes sense? Do you understand it?
yeah. I
Okay.
have an idea on this one.
Alright, what's your idea?
We can use complementary counting.
Okay, what is complementary counting?
It's where you count the total number of something and then you count what you don't want.
Okay. Alright, so what's the total number of things we're looking for here?
Total 5-letter words.
Alright, and can you tell me what that's going to be?
26 times 26 times 26 26 times 26 or 26 to the 5th.
26 to the 5th. Now, do you know what 26 to the 5th is?
I don't think so.
You haven't memorized your 5th powers of 26 yet?
No.
It's also 13 to the 10th.
Oh, good. You must know your powers of 13, right? Okay, well, maybe tomorrow. Alright, now that we've counted all the 5-letter words, what are we going to do next?
I'm going to count the ones that have no 2 consecutive letters the same.
Okay, so the total is 26 to the 5th. Now, by the way, why did you say this was 13 to the 10th? I guess I wasn't super paying attention.
Well, it's not 13 to the 10th.
Yeah. What is it? If you wanted to simplify that.
It's 2 times 13 all to the 5th.
Okay, which is what? And if you factor that into primes.
Which is, it's 32 times 13 to the 5th.
Okay, or write it in powers.
2 to the 5th times 13 to the 5th.
Right, and that is definitely not 13 to the 10th. Okay, so sorry, I wasn't paying attention there. Okay, but anyway, 26 to the 5th is correct. That's the total number of words. Now, what is the total number of words that have no consecutive letters?
It's 20. Well, it's
5-letter words.
26
Okay, why do we start with 26?
because you can use any letter.
All right.
No restrictions on the first.
Now, 25 because you can't use the letter before. It's 25 on this one because you can use the first letter but not the second.
Okay, very good.
It's 25 on the 4th because you can use the second letter. Or wait. Is it?
Right. What's the only restriction on this one here?
You can't use the one B. You can't use the one that's behind you.
Right. You can't use the one before.
But
otherwise, you can use any letter you want.
There's 2 letters that are before the one before it.
Right, but to be consecutive, for letters to be consecutive the same, it's okay to use this letter. Like you could have a word that was D, C, A, C, whatever, Z. These 2 C's are not consecutive, right?
No.
So that's okay. So you have 25 choices for those.
And then 25 for the last.
Okay, 25 for the last one. And what is this?
Well, this is 26 times 25 to the 4th,
Okay.
which is 5 to the 8th. It's 5 squared to the 4th.
Okay. That one actually simplifies the way you were thinking. Okay. But it's okay to leave it as 25 to the 4th. So what is the answer to our question?
Well, it's 26 to the 5th minus 26 times 5 to the
Or
well,
25 to the 4th. Okay. Now, the only thing we got to be sure of is that this is a positive number.
Well, yeah, because this side is less than this side.
Okay.
Because 25 is less than 26.
Okay, so we can factor 26 out, for example, and get 26 times 26 to the fourth minus 25 to the fourth. And that's actually, that it shows us that it's a positive number. Okay, good job, guys. Good job. That's a tricky little problem from that challenge problem section.